pilot project we did was on a 3-kilometre stretch. It worked so well, neighbours got excited, and so we embarked on a total catchment project, because a lot of people say, oh yeah, well that'll work on there, and if you've got a bit of money and all that sort of stuff, but you know, how's it going to go in a broader sense? So we said, well, okay, we're going to do a whole catchment. And at the same time, we're looking for other areas where you've got a different topography as well to prove that this work is beneficial across all landscapes. So the MCLRP, as we refer to it as, Mulloon Community Landscape Rehydration Project, is 23,000 hectares. There's 50 kilometres of creek systems through it. There's over 20 landholders. Many of the landholders were very, very cautious when this was happening. Tony said to them at the time, well, if it doesn't work and it stops all your water, I'll pull it all out. Once they saw the benefit of it, they couldn't get on board fast enough. So they've all been participating in this. We're now reasonably well advanced in the whole catchment project. The aspects of getting that advanced is what we're about this week with respect to the various legislations, which we'll come to in a sec.
Yeah, I mean, that's one of the primary criticisms or people talk about, oh, if you slow the water up there, you'll stop the water from coming down. But what does the statistics say on that?
We've got stream gauges, we've put in piezometers which measures groundwater, so we understand we have to acquire the data. So even though we know it anecdotally and what you see on the ground is incredible, the change, we wanted the data as well. And the data clearly shows that nobody loses any water. In fact, they get a much better flow of water and a much higher quality water as well. So where you would get a big downfall, most of the people downstream would never have been able to have the benefit of that. Now the water's working its way down the system slowly after a big rainfall, plenty of pools, and there's so much more water for them to be able to utilise.